si Rosana Balisa at ating pag-aaralan ngayon ay Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. Ano nga ba ang Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation? Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation is a software developed by Microsoft. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite and used to create digital slideshows that can include text, image, videos, animation, and other multimedia content. PowerPoint is widely used in business, education, and many other fields for sharing and information and structured visual format. PowerPoint was originally developed by a company called Forethought Inc. and was released in 1987. Microsoft later acquired the software and integrated it into the Microsoft Office suite. Since then, PowerPoint has gone through many updates, evolving into a powerful and versatile presentation tool used all over the world. Ano nga ba yung mga main use of PowerPoint? Business presentation, used for meeting, reports, and sale pitches. Mas madali kasi siyang gamitin kasi mas madaling mag-insert ng text at saka mga images. Education, gaya ng sinabi ko, na yung mga teacher madalas pong gumamit ng mga PowerPoint kapag nag-lecture or nag-discuss po sila. Pangatlo, training and workshop, ideal for step-by-step instructional content. And lastly, event and personal use, birthdays, weddings, and storytelling projects. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga key feature ng Microsoft PowerPoint? Una, themes and templates, pre-designed slides layout for faster creation. Meron na pong mga layout na may mga design na po. Ang gagawin na lang po ay mag-i-insert tayo ng mga image or mga text. Pangalawa, text and image integration, add titles, bullet points, charts, and photos. Pangatlo, animation and transition. Add movements to element and slide changes para hindi masyadong plain kapag nililipat natin yung PPT or yung presentation. Apat, multimedia support, embedded videos, audio, and even 3D models. Kaya nga sinabi ko, madali siya mag-insert ng mga images. Presenter tools, view notes privately while presenting, and rehearse timings. Ano nga ba yung mga part ng Microsoft? Ribbon. Meron tayong ribbon. Located at the top of the screen, the ribbon contains all the main tools grouped into tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, and Slideshow. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yan. Number 2, Slide Pane. This is the main area where you design and edit your current slide. You can add text, image, charts, and other content. Pangatlo, Slides Thumbnail Pane. Found on the left side. This pane shows miniature previews of all your slides, allowing you to easily navigate and rearrange them. Notes pane. Located below the slide pane. This section lets you add speaker notes for each slide. These notes are only visible to the presenter, not the audience. Yama. Title bar. Display the name of your PowerPoint file and the program itself is located at the top of the window. Number 6. Quick Access Toolbar. Found at the top left corner, this customizable toolbar lets you access common commands like save, undo, redo, and print quickly. Number 7. Status bar. Located at the bottom of the window. It is display information such as the current slide, design, theme, language, and view option. Pang-8 or pang-8, slide sorted view. A visual overview of all slides where you can rearrange, delete, or organize them easily. Access from the View tab or bottom right icons. Number 9. Slideshow view. Lets you view your presentation as your audience will see. You can start the slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. Okay, lastly, design formatting tools. These include options for customizing slide background, fonts, themes, colors, and animation, all essential for making your presentation visually appealing. Marami pa pong ibang mga parts pero ito po yung madalas na pinupuntahan natin or yung ginagamit natin or yung mga common parts ng Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Paano nga ba gumawa ng creative and effective presentation? Sige po. To make your presentation effective and engaging, keep slide clear and simple. Kapag masyado pong madaming nakalagay, masyadong masakit sa mata, o hindi po magandang tingnan. Pangalawa, use image and graphs to support your points. Stick to a consistent color, scheme, and font style. Kapag iba-iba yung font style ng inyong presentation, maaaring hindi magandang tingnan o hindi masyadong makita or mabasa. Pang-apat, avoid overloading with too much text. Kaya nga sinabi ko, kapag masyadong maraming text, hindi na nakaaya-ayang tingnan sa mga mata natin o sa mga mata ng viewer. Panghuli, practice your delivery and timing in advance dahil kahit gano'n po kaganda yung PowerPoint presentation ninyo, kapag naman hindi maganda yung pagkakadeliver nyo o yung pagkakagamit nyo nito, ay parang wala rin po itong silbi. Nandiyan po ba? At dyan na po natatapos. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano ba yung mga parts ng PowerPoints. Ide-demo ko po sa inyo at gagawa rin po tayo ng maiksing slideshow kung kakayanin po ng oras natin. Okay po ba yon? Sige po. Meron po kayo makikita ang mga blank documents. Meron din pong may mga design na meron yung blank lang. Pipindutin po natin ay blank. Okay po. Ito. Gawa tayo ng bago. Yan. Delete muna natin siya. Yan, pagpasok nyo po, makikita nyo po, yan, makikita nyo po yung quick access toolbar. Ay, meron po, doon mo tayo sa slide area. Ito po. Slide area yan. Tapos, meron tayong tabs. Wait lang. Save muna natin. Save muna natin. Yan. Got it. Yan. Quick access toolbar. Meron po tayo ito. Dito po yung auto-save, tsaka save. Tawag po dito, quick access toolbar. Sa title bar, ito po, nakalagay. Presentation po yung title natin. Tapos, meron pa tayong, ito yung sinasabi kong note panes. Ito, visible lang po ito sa presenter, hindi po siya visible sa viewer. Yan. Tapos, meron po tayong itong click add title. Ito po. Click add title. Ito. Text placeholder po siya. Ito po, placeholder. Slide area po natin ay ito. Slide area po natin ito. Delete po na natin. Delete muna natin. Yan. Mag-add po tayo ng insert new slide. Yan. Yari, ito po. Yun yung new slide natin. Bale, ang mangyayari, ito po, thumb slide pane. Ito, para po makita natin or ma-monitor natin ang ginagawa na natin. Slide area, ito. Yan, slide area po ito. Slide area po yan. Okay po. Tapos ang slide thumbnail, ito po, slide thumbnail. Tapos yung theme, meron po dito. Ito po, slide view. Ito. Kailan delete natin. Ito po, view siya. Ito, view. Para po makita natin kung paano ba nag-slide. Tapos meron pong zoom in ito. Yan, zoom in, zoom out. Yan po, zoom in, zoom out po ito. Tapos dito po sa help, mga tabs po yan. Okay po. Ayun lang po.